Is the current tension between Iran and Israel a prelude to a new era of technological warfare? This thought-provoking question sets the stage for our journey today. As the world watches anxiously, these two nations, each with their unique military capabilities and advanced technologies, stand on the brink of a potential clash. But before we plunge into the depths of this complex issue, let's take a moment to lay the groundwork. Let's unravel the military prowess of these two nations. Iran, a country often shrouded in mystery, wields an impressive military force. Let's take a moment to unravel some of this enigma and delve into the military capabilities of this Middle Eastern powerhouse. At the heart of Iran's conventional military strength is its manpower. With a population of approximately 83 million, Iran has a vast pool from which to draw its military personnel. The country's armed forces, comprising the army, the Revolutionary Guard, and the law enforcement force, total over 500,000 active personnel, making it one of the largest military forces in the Middle East. But it's not just about the numbers. Iran is also known for its extensive missile program. From short-range ballistic missiles to long-range ones, Iran's arsenal is both diverse and formidable. They've even developed missiles that can reach as far as 2,000 kilometers. That's roughly the distance from Tehran to Moscow. Now let's shift our focus towards the sky. Iran's advancements in drone technology are nothing short of impressive. They have an array of unmanned aerial vehicles or drones for both reconnaissance and combat missions. Iran's drone program took a significant leap forward in the past decade, with the development of drones capable of carrying out precision strikes, providing a potent addition to their military muscle. Moreover, Iran's military strategy is not just about direct confrontation. It also includes a well-established network of allies and proxies throughout the region, which extends Iran's influence and power beyond its borders. This strategy allows Iran to project power across the Middle East, creating a web of influence that is hard to untangle. So, Iran is a military force to be reckoned with, boasting a large army, an extensive missile program, and a burgeoning drone technology sector. Its strategic alliances further extend its reach, making it a significant player in the region's power dynamics. But how does this stack up against the technological powerhouse that is Israel? Israel, the small yet formidable nation, is a global leader in military technology. Despite its size, Israel is a powerhouse of technological innovation, particularly in the defense sector. This is a nation that has understood the potential of technology and harnessed it to safeguard its borders and people. Let's start with the Iron Dome. This is Israel's advanced missile defense system, capable of intercepting and destroying short-range rockets and artillery shells. The Iron Dome has proven its effectiveness time and again, shielding Israeli cities from countless attacks. It's a marvel of technology that combines radar tracking with sophisticated software to predict the trajectory of incoming threats and neutralize them in mid-air. But Israel's technological prowess doesn't stop at missile defense. The country is also a leader in cyber warfare. Israel's cyber capabilities are some of the most advanced in the world. They have developed state-of-the-art systems to protect their infrastructure and launch offensive operations when necessary. Their cyber units are highly skilled with a deep understanding of the digital battlefield. And let's not forget about Israel's highly trained armed forces. They are not just soldiers, they are technologists, engineers, and innovators. They are trained to use advanced technology in the field, from drones to AI-powered surveillance systems. This combination of highly trained personnel and cutting-edge technology gives Israel a significant edge on the battlefield. In the world of military technology, Israel punches far above its weight. Its commitment to innovation and technological advancement is unparalleled. This is a nation that has turned its geographical and demographic limitations into strengths, leveraging technology to create a formidable defense force. So with these capabilities at their disposal, how do Iran and Israel compare? Iran and Israel, two nations with differing strengths and strategies. When we look at Iran and Israel, we're not simply comparing two countries. We're examining two very different approaches to defense and warfare. Let's dive into it. Iran's military might is rooted in its sheer numbers. They have a large, devoted, and well-trained army. Their approach to defense is quite traditional but not to be underestimated. Iran has been investing in homegrown missile technology, making significant strides in both the range and accuracy of their weaponry. They have a dense network of underground missile cities, which allows them to launch surprise attacks from virtually anywhere within their borders. Their strengths lie in their numbers and their unpredictability. On the other hand, Israel's military prowess is largely based on its advanced technology. It's a global leader in the development of cutting-edge defense systems. Take the Iron Dome, for instance. This missile defense system can intercept and destroy short-range rockets and artillery shells in mid-air. Israel's military strategy is heavily reliant on its technological advancements, and it's paid off. They've managed to neutralize threats and save countless lives with their innovation. Now let's compare the two. Iran's strength lies in its traditional warfare tactics and sheer numbers. They have the ability to launch surprise attacks from various locations, which makes them a formidable opponent. On the other hand, Israel's strengths are its advanced technology and innovative defense systems. Their ability to intercept threats in mid-air greatly reduces the potential damage from an attack. However, every strength can also be a weakness in a different context. Iran's reliance on traditional warfare and ground forces could be a disadvantage against Israel's advanced defense systems. Similarly, Israel's dependence on technology could be their Achilles heel if they were to face a large-scale ground invasion. In terms of technological capabilities, Israel has the upper hand. Their defense systems are cutting-edge and have proven to be extremely effective. However, Iran's unpredictability and large military force are significant factors that can't be overlooked. So, which approach is superior? The answer isn't black and white. The effectiveness of each country's military strategy would largely depend on the specific circumstances of a conflict. But what are the key takeaways from this comparison? Well, it's a reminder that military might isn't just about numbers or technology alone. It's about how effectively a nation can leverage its strengths and adapt to the changing dynamics of warfare. A comparison of Iran and Israel's military capabilities reveals a complex and intriguing picture. Diving into the depths of this intricate puzzle, we've traversed the landscape of two powerful nations, Iran and Israel, each wielding its unique strengths in a volatile world. Iran, with its ample manpower and strategic positioning, presents a formidable conventional force. Its military might, deeply rooted in history and honed over generations, forms an integral part of its national defense and international standing. On the other hand, Israel, a smaller nation with a vastly different geopolitical context, has focused its resources on becoming a technological powerhouse. The nation's Iron Dome, a marvel of modern engineering, is a testament to their commitment to technological innovation. This sophisticated defense system, coupled with a highly trained, agile military, underscores Israel's strategic approach to national security. The comparison between the two countries' military capabilities underscores the fact that there's no one-size-fits-all approach to national defense. Each nation's strategy is shaped by its unique circumstances, threats, and resources. It's a delicate balance of power, strategy, and technology, each playing a critical role in ensuring national security. The current situation between Iran and Israel is a reflection of these complexities. It's a chessboard of geopolitical maneuvering, where military might and technological prowess are the kings and queens, shaping the moves and countermoves in this high-stakes game. In closing, it's crucial to remember that while military capabilities and technologies are important, they are just one part of a larger, more complex picture. The dynamics between nations are influenced by a multitude of factors, including political, economic, and social elements. Therefore, these military comparisons, while informative, are just one piece of the puzzle. In the high-stakes game of geopolitics and warfare, technology and strategy are indeed game-changers. As we continue to navigate the ever-evolving global landscape, let's remember the importance of understanding these complexities. It's not just about the weapons we wield, but also the strategies we employ and the technologies we pioneer.